Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to start your fat loss journey. First, let's set some clear, achievable goals. Understanding your current basal metabolic rate, or BMR, is crucial for determining your daily energy needs. A healthy and sustainable rate of fat loss is typically 1 to 2 pounds per week. This approach helps ensure long-term success and minimizes the risk of rebound weight gain, keeping you motivated and on track. Next, mastering your nutrition is key. To achieve fat loss, aim for a caloric deficit of 300 to 500 calories each day. Focus on a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to fuel your body. Don't forget the importance of hydration. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily supports metabolism and overall health, making your journey smoother. Now, let's talk about movement. Incorporate at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity cardiovascular exercise into your week. Additionally, aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions to build and maintain muscle mass, which boosts your metabolism. Simple daily activities, like walking 10,000 steps, significantly contribute to your overall calorie expenditure and energy levels, making a big difference. Finally, consistent tracking and self-care are vital. Regularly monitor your food intake and exercise to see what's working and make adjustments. Focus on body composition changes, not just the number on the scale, by measuring every 2 weeks. Also, ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly. It's crucial for recovery, hormone balance, and sustained energy throughout your fat loss journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.